Mic check, testing, 1, 2. This is Eagle 1, over. So far in this 4-part series, we've traveled to Bimini, snorkeled the Sapona Shipwreck, caught a few fish, Mr. Captain Man got spooled.
Yeah, he's gonna spool me.
And we spent 2 nights sleeping under the stars on our 27-foot center console. In this episode, we snorkel a few more spots, catch a few more seawater creatures, get the drone up, and back to the Sapona where I attempt to record a voiceover like a legend.
Good on you, America!
The day started with this. Apparently, Shannon felt he needed some practice. Only 364 days until next year's Pro Angler tryouts.
Oh, God, I love it! Ice!
With that done, it was time to get our snorkel on. With the morning snorkels out of the way, it was time to think about catching some dinner for the evening. But first the boys wanted to head back to the Sapona for a few quick boat jumps. I was feeling extremely lazy and decided to stay on the boat, but I did manage to grab some bodgy camera shots and figured this would be a great time to attempt a voiceover like Plucky from Sailing into Freedom.
Good on you, America!
If you are not familiar with this channel, links will be down below. So yeah, here's the boys just climbing the ladder up the Sapona Shipwreck there. The Sapona wrecked here way back in well, I don't really know when it wrecked. But I don't know how it wrecked. But I can tell you why it wrecked. It's missing the whole back end. But I do know that that's some good looking shipwreck right there. Yes sir, look at that shipwreck. That is some fine looking shipwreck. Ooh, that shipwreck. Oh, hi lady, get out of the way. Trying to film some shipwreck. Anyway, back to the boys. Looks like Captain Green Jeans finally made it back up the ladder. Him and Marky there just looking around, inspecting things. Trying to figure out where the best spot to get some tetanus would be. Balgy. Yeah, so I guess people show up here quite often. Kind of a tourist thing, if you will. Show up here, climb the ladder, swim around, jump off the ship, climb the ladder, jump off the ship, swim around, climb the ladder, jump back off the ship. Now, I think the boys are actually looking around trying to find a good place to jump off themselves. However, I hope they give me some hand signals or something. My arms are getting awful tired. Oh, what? Looks like we're missing Captain Green Jeans. Where did Captain Green Jeans go? I think he jumped already. Gotta get those hand signals, boys. I can't just keep recording forever. Think about it. How about those camera skills? Those are some fine camera skills. Holding it ever so smoothly like. I should probably get me a job with Steven Spielberg, running a camera for one of those high quality action flicks of his. Nothing but quality on my blog, people. Oh, here we go. Looks like Captain Green Jeans is about ready to reach the top of the ship again. Maybe next time we'll catch me jumping off, eh? Reach for it, Captain. You're almost there. Oh, magic. He's there. Well, I think the boys made some friends here at this point. Got 2 more exploration partners to explore the Sapona Shipwreck with. I'm sure they're all just looking around for another nice place to grab some tetanus, or maybe a good spot to jump off. Maybe they're looking for a good picnic spot. Everybody should put your hands on your hips right about now. There you go. Good job. Oh, here we go. Looks like the boys going to take the new found mates over to a different part of the ship. Oh, helping each other climb up on the top part, are we? Nice. Good on you. Good on you, mate. Oh, it looks like Mark found a little hole up in the top we could climb up through. Maybe there's a rope ladder. A ladder. Ah, buggers, Mark. Where's the hand signals, mate? I've only got 3 brain cells. I can't keep up. Better hit the rewind on that. Oh, here we go. That's Mark right there, freeze framed in the red shirt. Halfway down into the water, and action. Oh, there we go, Mark. Nice jump. Good form there. Maybe next time you give me some hand signals so I can get you jumping from the top, mate. Okay, so who's next here? Looks like Mr. Captain Man, maybe his buddy. I'm not really sure. Oh, looks like that might through his mask. I guess he's next. There he goes. Oh, look at that form. Legs slightly open. Therefore, the Russian judge is going to give it a 6. I'm sure Mr. Captain has a trick up his sleeve for a little bit better jump. Keeping the hands on the hips to properly prepare. Yep, just sizing it up, making sure the water looks good. Probably getting a splash or 2 so you can see the landing. Here he goes. Oh, straight legs, arms out slightly. Gonna have to give that one an 8. I think you can do better, mate. Well, alright, nice work, fellas. I think it's about time we go fishing now. I know my Australian accent needs some work, but feel free to tear me up in the comments section if you want.
Good on you, America. You haven't let us down. Good on you.
Yeah, bud. Hopefully a grouper. He feels groupery, but he's still fighting. I'm almost up.
Yeah!
Kidding me?
Pedophile fishing today! Yeah!
Bullshit.
Day 3, drifting in Bimini, pedophile fish, first drop.
Have a trigger.
Yeah, so the captain was right. Whatever, it was a type of trigger. But Mark and I didn't know. We thought it was a foul fish. And therefore, it was a pedophile fish. That wasn't the first pedophile fish we caught this week.
Fish! Or no, what? Yeah. That's one of them things Shannon caught. Whitefish? Pawfish? He got busted ass teeth. Ooh, he's throwing up. And he's shitting himself.
Oh, that's mechanism.
That.
Man, look at this. Look at that girl. He's got a good dentist.
Yep, another pedophile fish.
Oh my God! What the hell did he puke up?
He just came up. Oh, pedophile fish. Goddamn pedophiles.
And then there was this monster catch.
Yep, he's had the ball. Okay, got a rigger ball back.
We did, however, land a few keepers.
Oh, yeah, nice, son.
Good eating right there, buddy.
And we got an education on trigger.
Now push the little thing in the back that's sticking up right there. Good. Now the little right there behind it. Good. The little thing right behind it. Is it sticking up right there? Now push that and then push the trigger down. No, hold it down and push the trigger down.
What are you talking about?
This little thing sticking up right here.
Push this down.
No, the little thing right here behind it.
Push this
You know
down.
what I'm talking about, Grant.
I don't want to touch it.
Push this down. And the trigger will go down. Somehow. Alright, open the cooler for me.
Well, at least we never claimed to be experts. Just three idiots out trying to catch a few fish, that's all.
It's a trigger fish. It's another trigger fish. Side jack.
And that's the end of this fun little trip. If you are the one subscriber that made it this far, you must be the mother of the captain. Thanks for watching, Mom. If anyone else is here, it would be awesome if you hit the like on this video. It makes us super happy to see the thumb count move in a positive direction. We are giving away Frigate Chaser hats, but you must leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the little bell to get notifications if you expect to win one. This is easy to do, you just have to be signed into YouTube. If you have a Google account, then you also have a YouTube, and may not even know it. Just sign in with your Google account and get subscribed. I think we're headed back to the Tortugas this year, but not yet sure. Where do you think we should go? Let us know in the comments. Frigate out.